We all begin somewhere. At the outset of our journey, we often find ourselves facing the great unknown. It's in this phase where we confront common challenges and limitations that seem to stand as insurmountable obstacles. To initiate our journey, we need to define our destination, a beacon on the horizon that we aspire to reach. These destinations can encompass various facets of our lives, including career, personal growth, health, and beyond. To realize our ambitions, we require a well-planned route, a roadmap with a clear and actionable path to our destination. For this, we must break down the larger objectives into smaller, manageable steps that we can tackle one at a time. Invariably, obstacles will loom in our path, ready to divert us from our journey. But it's through sheer determination that we can scale these hurdles, each victory bringing us closer to our destination. Succeeding in our journey necessitates the acquisition of resources, both in terms of knowledge and support. We must be avid learners, continuously expanding our knowledge and skills. Seek guidance from mentors who can light the way. The moment has arrived to take that inaugural step. The journey commences with a single, decisive action, an act of faith. Yet, progress is not an abstract notion. It needs to be measured and tracked for us to comprehend our trajectory. Each completed task represents a victory on our journey. It's essential to mark these victories to stay motivated. But even the most resolute voyager will encounter tribulations. It's resilience, the capacity to rebound from adversity, that will see us through the darkest times. Remember, journeys are rarely linear. Change is the one constant on our path. Remaining flexible in our goals and plans is crucial to navigating the ever-shifting landscape. Yet, let's not forget the significance of celebrating each accomplishment. Celebrate your milestones, small and large. Such celebrations serve as a well-earned break to recharge our spirits. Finally, the moment arrives when we reach our destination, a place of fulfillment. Standing at the summit, we peer back at our journey with pride, recognizing the personal growth, wisdom, and learning it has imparted. In this journey, we also learn the power of visualization. Visualizing your goals, seeing yourself achieving them, is a potent force that propels you forward. And don't underestimate the act of writing down your goals. It makes them tangible, real. Consider creating a vision board, a visual representation of your dreams and aspirations. As you journey, remember the value of time. Don't waste any hour of your day. Dedicate your free moments to nurturing your goals, and you'll find your journey accelerates. Yet, there will always be those who doubt you, who cast shadows on your journey. Ignore the skeptics and naysayers. They don't define your journey. Inevitably, failures may stack up along the way. But remember, they're stepping stones, not roadblocks. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. They are lessons that guide you forward. Your journey is far from over as new horizons and goals await. Subscribe for ongoing guidance on self-improvement and personal growth.